Hi everyone. In this chart, automatically you will receive buy sell calls in live market. So it's a automatic buy sell calls generator, we can say. Today July 14 after 2:58, a buy call generator. So green color candle open. Buy at 44,780, that is our entry point line. Straight white line from green color candle, our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily basis, it will analyze market movement and generate calls in live market. So it will automatically analyze the market movement and generate calls. You just watch the video. How you are watching the video, you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. For chart plan detail, you can WhatsApp me. Just to send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Will provide the plan detail. So you can understand how this chart works in live market. Today buy call generated at 44,780. First target range 44,892. 112 point target. Let's wait and see how it works. Within 15 minutes of the buy call generator, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this, today call generated and achieved the target. For daily basis, for intraday trading, it will generate calls in live market like this only. So if you want to do intraday trading, you can subscribe this chart and get the call from this chart. You can do the trades through this chart. For chart plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.